Hi friends, welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We have another slime video today for you. Hello. This is a hamster. He's stuck in the slime. Are you ready to play with the slime? What color is this? Purple and white. It's so sticky and so gooey. Let's cover the hamster with the slime. It's so stretchy. Shall we mix them together? Ready? Let's put the hamster inside the slime. It's a hamster squishy. Where's the hamster? Peekaboo! Let's do that again. Let's hide the hamster inside the slime. I wonder where he is. Hello. It's so stretchy. Peekaboo! The hamster is hiding underneath the slime. There he is! Let's name this hamster Slimy, 'cause he loves playing with slime. Slimy the hamster. Are you ready to play with the other slime we have? Alright, let's play with the other slime we have. Let's put Slimy over there in the slime. It says greatest of all time. It must be very good. Let's open it up. Whoa, look at the colors. So many different colors inside. It's so stretchy. Are you ready to help me take it out? Look at all the different colors. It's so cool. And it feels so soft. We have the color pink. We have a clear black. We have the color purple. It's so cool. I have an idea. We have some safari animals here. This is an elephant, a baby lion, a cheetah, and a rhino. Let's cover them with slime. The baby lion is stuck in the slime. Look at the baby cub. Can you help me take him out? Let's use the purple slime to cover the cheetah. Let's see what happens to the cheetah. It's slowly moving. It's covering the cheetah. Let's put it on the cheetah's head. This is a baby rhino. He's stuck in the slime. Oh no! Where is the cheetah? He's stuck in the slime. Hello? Let's wrap it around the cheetah. Do you know where the cheetah is? Inside the slime. Let's have a look. There is the cheetah inside the slime. Super cool. It's stuck. Let's see how far we can stretch the slime. Are you ready? Whoa! It snapped in half. It's so stretchy. Thank you so much for playing with slime with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.